Hello, it's Friday the 13th of July 2018 and I'm on Robinswood Hill in Gloucester, and in that direction, as you can clearly see, it is very black and there is a thunderstorm over there. I have heard a couple of rumbles since walking up. All these clouds you see round have been either storms or heavy showers that have passed over throughout the afternoon. But this one is the closest and probably the most intense one we've seen of the afternoon so far. So I'm just on Robinswood Hill videoing it and hoping that I get to see some lightning, and it does look as if it's kind of coming this way, so I may not be up here for long, but until it gets closer I shall be up here for a while. Over in that direction we have Cheltenham, over that way is Bristol, and in fact I'm going to walk that way because this side has a clearer view without any trees of that storm. So I'm just going to walk down this lane. Won't take long to get there because it's only just virtually around that corner, so I'll be there within about 5 or 10 minutes, not even that. But you can see the grass up here is virtually dead, despite the bit of heavy rain we had earlier on this afternoon about 3-4 o'clock time. It hasn't really saturated the ground, and the grass is virtually dead, so and the only things that have survived are the plants and the nettles and stuff like that. So just down this hill and then up again, and I will be at the clearing where you can see that storm. So just as I paused that, there was a rumble of thunder. So as I said, this clearing is soon approaching, even though it's taken longer than I remembered it to take, but here it is. This is the clearing in which you can see towards the Bristol area of, if you would like to call it that, and this is where I'll be able to get a clearer view of that. And once again, a rumble of thunder has just occurred. Looking at this, the clouds are moving very slowly, so I'm not entirely sure which way it's going, but I don't think it's going to come overhead. a rumble of thunder then as that plane approaches. In the distance right over there, not that you can very well see in these misty conditions, but 7 bridges are over that direction somewhere, roughly about there. My reckoning is the lightning is happening just up there. So I'm just going to pause this video a minute so that I can check the lightning radar and track where this lightning's happening. So I shall pick up a second video very shortly.